Assalamu alaikum, and today we will learn top 5 formulas in Microsoft Excel. One more thing I want to tell you that top 5 formula have been in pair form. It's mean, for example, if you are using the right formula, so there is also available in Excel the left formula. So in today's session you will know the top 5 pair formula as well. And if you are on first time on our channel, so please subscribe our channel because 82% of viewers are watching our videos but they did not subscribe it. If you will subscribe it, then I will get notifications and I will keep making the enthusiastic sessions for you. So do not skip the session because this is the most important and enthusiastic session for you. So let's start the session. So I already made the file in Excel. I want to double click it and open the file for you. So here are the top 5 formulas in pair available in Excel. One is right, left, max, min, column, row, is text, is number, upper, lower. So now in these column we will learn that how we can use these 10 formulas in Excel. So first of all we will start from right. Need to type is equal to, then type right, then bracket open. Now right is asking about the reference where you want the data. So I will giving the C8, then I will comma it, then I will give the reference to 2. Now I will close the bracket. Now as I enter it, it will display the 1,4 because it will pick the value from the right. So it will show 1,4 because, so you can see the 1,4 have been a pair. And now the left column, now I will again type is equal to, type left, then bracket open. Once again I need to give reference. Now I am giving reference of the text cell. Now I am giving comma. Now I am giving to 3. Now what from left, it will bring us JON for us. Now I will close the bracket and enter it. Now you can see the JON has bring for us. Now max cell. Now I want to see the maximum number of value which have been displayed in this table. So how can I know that what is the maximum number of value is displaying in this table? So I will type is equals to, then type max, bracket open, then give the cell reference from here, comma, to here. I am giving only 5 and closing it. So the in 5 the highest value is 3218. Now I will enter it. It will bring us the 3218. Same formula will apply for minimum value, to pick the minimum value as well. So what you need to do is just you need to type the minimum function, and this time it will bring the value of 3214. So you can see the 3214 have been bring for us. Now column is bring the column which the data have been in it. So I will type is equal to, then I type column function, then bracket open. Now it's refer the cell where the data have been. So I am given D is my 4th column. So I will close the 4th column. So this is the 4th have been given the return to us. Now the row, same I will is equal to row, bracket open. Then I will giving once again the D column, but this time it will bring the 8th row because as you can see the 8th row have been available. Now I enter it and its 8 have been received. Now this formula is text is checked in a condition is true or false. If the formula is text, then it will be true, and if the formula is text, then it will display the false. So I will type is equal to, then is text, bracket open, and give the cell right now ID and close the bracket. Now the value will return is false. Now you can see the value have been written in false. And if I will type once again is text, and this time I will give the value of the name and close the bracket, now the value have been true. So in the number, same formula have been used for the number as well. What you need to do is you just need to type the number over here, is number. Now I am giving the number and close the bracket. Now here I am given once again is number, bracket open, and this time I given him the text value and close the bracket. Now this is how the value have been generated. If you have a problem in your data, like Steve have written in small and this is also written in a capital John, you need to convert it. Now how you can convert it? You need to convert in a uppercase, so you need to type is equal to upper, now bracket open, and select the data over here. Steve is written in the data all in the small character, so I will close the bracket. So Steve will came in uppercase. Now the John, same for lower function as well. I need to type is equal to, then bracket open, and need to select John. Now John is write down in capital letters. Now it will convert it for us in lower letters. So this is how it will do. Now you can see the John have been done. So I will select this and drag these formula over here. So here the sheet have been ready. I hope that you will like this session, and if you like this session, please like the video also, and thank you.